What in the news this week draws your attention to items that could impact mortgage interest rates? Well, this week we have 3 of the top 5 economies, Japan, England, and our own central bank, in the news. Ours will steal the spotlight without a doubt. Our mortgage bonds already have priced in a 25 basis point or quarter point rate cut on the federal funds rate. This is not mortgage rates. If the Fed announces a 50 basis point drop or larger, mortgage rates will drop more than they already have. If the Fed does not lower rates, we will see a rate increase, being that the quarter point is already baked in to the federal funds discount rate, or assuming it's going to drop. This week, before the Fed announcement, when this week's meeting concludes of the Fed, we will get a June PCE data. This is personal consumption as compared to business consumption. Traditionally, consumers spend more when they feel confident in the overall economy. The market is expecting it to come out at about 1.7%. If below, it would solidify a rate drop by the Fed the next day. If it came out at 1.9, most certainly would indicate that the Fed will not lower interest rates at all. I hope you have a great week. And when I can help, either IM me or do give me a call. Thanks.